G'day CNC warriors, welcome to Iscar Plus in Auckland, New Zealand, where we got no time for downtime. Today, I'm going to introduce to you the new member of the miniature series from Iscar. So let's talk small things. Hey, why do I get subtitles?
Because nobody can understand you, Amal.
Today, we got something really cool for you in parting off. Something designed specifically for small CNC lathes and Swiss type machines. Let's have a closer look. This, my friends, is the new Swiss grip from the miniature series from Iscar. This incorporates the self-grip insert we all know of in a very small and efficient package. This system consists of a holder and a double-ended blade, and look how easy it is to mount. Like I said, no time for downtime. And it gets better. These blades are available from 0.6mm and all the way up to 1.2, and it takes the same holder. So if you're gonna go between bits, you're still not pulling that holder out of your machine. This insert is only 1mm thick. So imagine this, you've got 1,000 components to make, you're using a 2mm blade. That is a meter saved every 1,000 components. And the way the material costs are going these days, this is going to give you huge savings. And also you got to remember, this is a double-ended blade. So if something do go wrong, it is so easy to change. There is no downtime. You're not pulling holders out of the machine. And these mini blades offer high repeatability. So you got a system that is versatile, easy to use, and offer high performance. So let's take a look at this parting system in action. If you have a small CNC lathe or a Swiss type machine, it's about time that you had a look at your parting system, because you might be throwing money away in setup time and material costs. So talk to your local rep or just call us. And remember, this is Iscar, where we got no time for downtime. Yeah, why am I getting subtitles in it for you? Sound. Did you lose the tool? Oh my God.